The Kansas Supreme Court is ordering more money be spent on education. New at 6, KSNT News reporter James Ryan spoke with lawmakers about what needs to be done now and how the state is going to pay for it.
As you can see behind me, lawmakers aren't currently in the State House, but when they do return on Monday, this ruling means that they need to work together to find possibly several $100 million to push into the education system.
We're going to have to pull our heads out of the sand and deal with the issue.
The Kansas Supreme Court ruled Thursday that more money needs to be spent on education. 4 school districts sued the state in 2010, arguing that Kansas needs to spend $800 million more on K-12 education.
We have historically underfunded school finance, K-12 education, and it's time that we do the right thing for the children of Kansas.
The court did not say how much more lawmakers need to put towards school finance. Senate Minority Leader Anthony Hensley says the state should go back to the old formula, which provided $4,400 per student.
We've been meeting with the Department of Education, the commissioner, and any group that's really interested. So we've heard proposals, we've heard ideas.
Now the question is how to pay for it. Some say previous plans to raise income taxes may not be enough.
Probably also going to have to look at some property tax increases just to fill the huge hole that's been created by those income tax cuts.
Both Kelly and Hensley agree that this means that the legislature needs to pass a tax plan now. This ruling, they say, could help convert some lawmakers into voting to override a governor's veto. Reporting from the State House, James Ryan, KSNT News.
The court gave the legislature until June 30th to comply with its ruling. This comes as the state is already looking at more than a $1 billion budget shortfall through June 2019.